Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing here in front of the application example loading ramp from the industrial sector. With this panel, we would like to show you that DALI can also be used outdoors. If DALI outdoor luminaires are provided, our LC Mini can be used, for example, which we offer as DALI-LINK or DALI-ZIS. Here we also want to show that by controlling the light output of these floodlights according to the amount of daylight, not only can energy be saved, but also a certain degree of safety and comfort can be provided in addition. For example, if I create movement here in the middle and thus switch on the main light, you can see that the orientation light comes on in the adjacent areas, giving a feeling of safety. In addition, a night mode can be activated. That means a kind of facade lighting that maintains a basic light level regardless of movement, in order to illuminate the building at night for safety reasons.